mabuti gawin at manahan kang ligtas sa lupain. Sa Diyos mo hanapin ang kaligayahan at pangarap mo ay makakamtan. Sa harap ng Diyos pumanatag ka, maging matyagang maghintay sa Kanya. Huwag mong kainggitan ang gumiginhawa sa likong paraan, umunlad man sila. Umasa ka sa Diyos, ang mabuti gawin at manahan kang ligtas sa lupain. Sa Diyos mo hanapin ang kaligayahan at pangarap mo ay makakamtan, at pangarap mo ay makakamtan. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Hallelujah. Love's work is done, the battle is won. When oh, death is your sting, He rose again to rule and to reign. Jesus our conquering King. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Hallelujah. Lord over sin, Lord over death, at His feet Satan must fall. Every knee bow, all will confess, Jesus is Lord over all. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Hallelujah. Tell it abroad, Jesus is Lord. Shout it and let your praise ring. Gladly we raise our songs of praise. Worship is our offering. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Hallelujah. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Christ is risen, risen indeed. Hallelujah.
Kasama natin to.
Are you too busy to pray? Too busy for God? Busy people run the risk of losing contact with God. They often get caught in the fast pace of the busy world, enslaved by all the many things that need to be done daily, that out of the 1,440 minutes of their day, There seems to be just no time to pray. Yet God never gives up on us. He continues to invite us to draw closer to Him through different means and different people. The busier we are, the more we need God, and the more we need to make time for prayer. Has touched the lives of many. In your home, in your car, in your workplace, in your own daily experience of a growing prayer life. May you be filled with God's loving presence every day of your life. God bless you.
Kasama natin to.